Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of baking soda, a humble kitchen staple that's not just for baking. Surprisingly versatile, baking soda offers a plethora of tricks for both men and women that can simplify your daily routine, from personal hygiene to home cleaning. Whether you're looking to upgrade your self-care game or find eco-friendly cleaning solutions, baking soda has got you covered. So grab your box of baking soda and let's explore these amazing hacks together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find these tips useful and subscribe for more awesome content. Personal hygiene tricks. Number 1. For everyone. Baking soda is a fantastic natural product that can significantly improve your personal hygiene routine. Let's start with dental care. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with water creates a paste that's great for teeth whitening and fighting bad breath. Its mild abrasive properties help remove stains without damaging your enamel. Moving on to deodorizing. A pinch of baking soda in your shoes or applied under your arms can neutralize odors naturally, keeping you fresh all day. Plus, its gentle exfoliation ability makes it perfect for a body scrub. Mix it with coconut oil for a skin-friendly exfoliator that leaves your skin smooth and rejuvenated. 2. For men. Gentlemen, baking soda can be your ally in grooming. Add it to your shaving cream for a smoother shave and to prevent razor burn. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin. Additionally, a baking soda and water paste can tackle those stubborn foot odors. Apply it directly to your feet or soak them in a baking soda solution for a refreshing treat. 3. For women. Ladies, baking soda can enhance your hair care routine. A baking soda rinse can remove buildup from hair products, leaving your hair cleaner and more manageable. Also, it's an excellent ingredient for a homemade facial scrub or mask, gently exfoliating the skin to reveal a brighter, clearer complexion without harsh chemicals. Section 2. Home cleaning solutions. Number 1. Kitchen cleaning hacks. Transform your kitchen cleaning routine with baking soda. Start by sprinkling baking soda on a damp sponge to scrub away stains from countertops, stainless steel sinks, and cooking utensils without scratching them. For a deep clean solution for your oven, create a paste using baking soda and water. Apply it overnight and wipe clean the next day. You'll be amazed by the results. Clogged drains? Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Wait 15 minutes and then flush with boiling water. This eco-friendly trick clears up blockages effectively. Lastly, to eliminate odors and keep your refrigerator smelling fresh, place an open box of baking soda inside. It absorbs unwanted smells, ensuring your fridge remains odor-free. 2. Bathroom cleaning tips. Baking soda shines in the bathroom too. Mix it with hydrogen peroxide to create a powerful grout cleaner. Apply the paste, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush. Your tiles will look as good as new. For toilet cleaning, sprinkle baking soda into the bowl, add vinegar, and watch the fizzing action lift away stains and odors. Refresh your towels by washing them with a mixture of baking soda and vinegar instead of detergent. This combination eliminates musty smells and leaves towels softer and more absorbent. Laundry hacks. Elevate your laundry game with baking soda. Adding half a cup of baking soda to your laundry detergent can enhance its cleaning power, helping to remove tougher stains and odors. It's particularly effective in neutralizing sweat odors from gym clothes. For a homemade natural fabric softener, mix baking soda with water and vinegar. This not only softens fabrics, but also maintains the color's vibrancy. If you're dealing with grease stains, pre-treat them by sprinkling baking soda on the stain, letting it absorb the grease before washing as usual. Health and wellness uses. Baking soda also offers benefits for your health and wellness. A baking soda bath can soothe itchy skin and relieve discomfort from sunburns. Simply add a cup to your bath water and soak to enjoy its calming effects. For a quick remedy for acid reflux, a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water can neutralize stomach acid and provide temporary relief. However, it's essential to use this remedy sparingly and consult with a healthcare provider for chronic symptoms. Additionally, baking soda can help soothe insect bites and minor rashes. Apply a paste of baking soda and water to the affected area to reduce itching and inflammation. Miscellaneous tricks. Baking soda's versatility extends beyond personal care and cleaning. Keep your shoes and car interior smelling fresh by sprinkling baking soda inside shoes or on car seats and carpets. Vacuum it up after a few hours to remove odors. In the garden, baking soda can be used as a non-toxic fungicide. Mix it with water and soap to create a spray that helps prevent fungal growth on plants. As we've explored today, baking soda is a miraculous multi-purpose product that offers a wide range of benefits for both men and women. From enhancing personal hygiene and cleaning routines to improving health and even assisting in gardening, its versatility and effectiveness are unmatched, especially considering its affordability and eco-friendliness. We encourage you to start incorporating these baking soda tricks into your daily life. Experiment with the tips we've shared and don't hesitate to get creative with your uses for baking soda. The possibilities are nearly endless, and you'll soon discover even more ways to utilize this incredible household staple. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of baking soda. If you've enjoyed these tips and tricks, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more useful and engaging content. Until next time, keep exploring the endless potential of everyday products to make your life easier and more sustainable.